traveling in. Then I get concerned that night.
Twakoze okunoonyereza ng'ekitongole kya Twaweza nga tuyita mu program gye bayita Sauti za Wananchi. Mweno program twogera n'abantu amaka 3,000 mu Uganda yonna era nga buli muntu aba n'omukisa okuba nti nasobola okuparticipatinga oba okwetaba mu kunoonyereza kuno. Kati mu kunoonyereza kuno twagezezzaako okumanya Abanayuganda biki bye balaba ebisinga okusoomooza ensi yaffe. Katulabye nti n'ebisinga okusoomooza ensi yaffe Abanayuganda bagamba mulimu ekyebbula ly'emirimu, mulimu ebyobulamu health services, mulimu ne cost of living wakye twandiyise inflation, emiwendo gy'ebintu bye tukozesa gisiba gikyukakyuka oba gyeyongera okwambuka. Era Abanayuganda kye bayogera bagamba nti no waliwo n'obuzibu obuli bw'enguzi ebisoomooza Abanayuganda. Twatunuulira eggwanga lyonna naye ate ne tutunuulira n'amaka omuntu gawangaaliramu bo balaba biki ddala ebisinga okubasoomooza. Kati mu Eastern Uganda ekyebbula ly'emmere oba food insecurity, enjala kye basinga okwogerako era bano baali ebitundu 47 ku 100. Already tukimanyi nti nno ng'eggwanga tulina abavubuka bangi ate era bangi abagamba nti nno bo ekisinga obasoomooza yebbula ly'emirimu. Naye ate tukimanyi mbuno Uganda einako advantage nti tulina embeera y'obudde ennungi esobola okusupportinga agriculture. Naye tulaba nti bwe tunulira ne mu research gwe twafulumya weeks nga 2 emabega mu Bannayuganda bonna abavubuka be basinze obuteetaba mu byobulimi ate nga be bangi. Kati singa tulina engeri gye tusobola okulaba nti nno abavubuka basobola okweyongera okwetaba mu byobulimi nze ndowooza kyandituyambyeko ne twongera production ey'emmere mu ggwanga. Naye ate n'ekirala era tuteekwa okuteekawo embeera endala nga maybe better agricultural practices, maybe mechanization.
And poverty. There's a lot of reluctance. I must condemn our people for being sitting. You must do something. Every other morning there should be something you are doing. There was an English king who detained a man on the payroll just to cast for him every other morning. So we expect that our people must be able to be productive. I condemn people who wake up every other morning and are not working. We stay in these communities. Younger men are merely sitting. As you carry out further investigations and research, I want you to challenge them that do something.
My take on the findings of Twaweza are that their findings are going to help us in forecasting, in planning, and a number of issues were mentioned. One of them was food security. As leaders of Eastern Uganda, we are coming up with a component of food security whereby our farmers can have in form of granaries. We used to have granaries formerly in those olden years, but we are advocating that government gives us different technologies of how we can curb the issue of food security, because as we speak now, some of the few farmers store their farm inputs and they're eaten by rats, they're eaten by different kind of insects and so on. So as leaders, we advocate government to come and support this to enable us improve on the value chain, to improve on value addition. On the issue of domestic violence, it has also been realized that domestic violence is on the increase in Eastern Uganda. It's an issue of mindset change, attitude. We have tried to engage our community development officers, to engage different families, to sensitize them on the issues of domestic violence. We have sensitized the men, especially we hear that men are being beaten and the men are always quiet. But the women, for them, when they are beaten, they always shout, they go to police. So we also appeal to the men that when you're beaten, please report, do not keep quiet.
The national picture, the common denominator is that there is the common denominator in all the regions put together is corruption. and like it is not it is a public secret. Of late, corruption is topping the headlines. Yesterday we had the banker, the World Bank representative talking about corruption and how it is affecting service delivery in the country. The high skyrocketing debt burden, which is cheating service delivery. So each and every one of us has a feeling. My own feeling, and I know so many other people's feeling, is that if at all the resources that are siphoned by the public service or by those in government offices were put to use to deliver services, then Uganda would be at a very high level. For example, if at all the Auditor General say the Auditor General report shows that the financial year 2023-2024, 10 trillion was lost in corruption. What can 10 trillion do? We have so many places, especially in eastern Uganda, where services are so scanty. I've been seeing on social media, Bududa is coming up with a song that without a road there is no vote.
Naye ekintu ky'enguzi kyo kirudde kigenze kiranda kati paka obunyiivu mu bantu ba bulijjo nabo ne bubeerawo. Kale n'olwekyo enguzi etataganyiza emirimu. Olaba budget yeeyongera obunene naye ate service ku ground obuweereza butono nnyo ku ground. Kale n'olwekyo ekyo ne kireetera abantu balowooza ndowooza gavumenti yeetaweze, naye nga mu butuufu bwe tunula ku zi budget ezivudde mu gavumenti wakati sente zigenda okutuuka ku ground nga baaziridde dda baazibbye dda. Kale owulirawo obusomi, amalwaliro, ebyo obuweereza ne bubeera nga tebukoze bulungi.
Investments. Naye twebuuza, why would there be a rush mu kukola policy gy'otali malirivu okufundinga ekolebwe? So kati ne tutunuulira ekizibu kya funding nga kye kintu kikulu, but also citizen participation and involvement. To what level, to what magnitude, at what is the point of intersection? Okulaba nti abanansi oba abatuuze to whom these policies are enacted to, who are by the way the end beneficiaries of services, we just nga tebali muguchi, nga tebali involved in certain cases. So those are the dilemmas we are having as a country in regards to policy formulation, in regards to monitoring, in regards to resource envelope.
That is the question. But these are the jobs available. Okay? The jobs are available. They can meet the needs, the basic needs of life. So we can say there is unemployment, but there are those types that we need to know about the disguised. People are working, but are they getting what they want? Or people are working waiting for the other job. Like somebody said, they have the border men who are graduates, but they are graduates waiting for the other jobs they started, but they are earning something. Is it okay? Yes, I think that may also work for us. When you go to the health services, there was a percentage which is a bit low, but the government has done what is cemented. That every gomborola, that's the parish. The gomborola is a what? A sub-county. A sub-county. Each sub-county has a health center 3.
The only thing is that all of us as leaders, now I'm talking this as leaders, we just now need to join hands and ensure that the blame game business stops, and we have to move as a team, because money will come to you like the Honorable Minister of Finance. Nobody says money will come, but when you also looking for it, they will not just come and find you seated. You have also to look for it, So you have to join hands. The other issue is we still have labor. We have encouraging youth. Where would these youths go? Even the industrial park across there, I think is becoming now smaller. So colleagues, you will agree with me that the labor is still available. We are producing and we have the human resource. We have the labor that can even be trained on job. And that's why I think in the visionary leadership of the president, introduced skilling centers. Even if you dropped out in the P7, you come and be trained in doing something. So the labor is there. We have a growing service industry, telecoms, and so many others. These ones are small businesses that we are doing, and this everywhere you move, you will find either a young lady or a young man, and speaking mobile businessman transacting. Even if you start with the 1 million, they will be doing some transactions. So the service industry is there. Education is growing. We have liaised with our regional and international markets. A number of people are selling things abroad, many exporters. There are coffee growers here in the Kisu sub-region, and you will attest to this and you know it. So really, there is a lot of opportunity. Opportunities are there. It is not that really our books are lying to us. The opportunities are here with us.
UTI that have gone there, then nothing is being done. Because today, let's be honest and candid.